Do you listen to me, girls?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So please tell me, do you know what is the meaning of significant digits?
Uh, in a number, if non-zero digits are there, it is significant. And if in between those two numbers a zero is there, then also it is significant. But after left and right side अगर zero है तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ है तो
Those are
significant
the
नहीं है.
notions, those are the rules you are telling me. Very good, Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, See, whenever we express a number, say when I express a number, say 3.0182, then all these digits, so the digits which are used to express the number is called as, or the digits are called as significant digits or significant figures. But now when I use this 3.0, whether this 0 is significant or not, for that we need to check the rule. Okay, there are some numbers, see, like 0.0028. When I read it, I can read this as 28 into 10 raised to how much? How much it should be? 28 into 10 raised to
4.
-4.
-4.
-4, correct है क्या? 28 into 10 raised to -1 will be 2.8. 28 into 10 raised to -2 is 0.28. Yes, so this is correct, right? So I can use these this way also, okay? And that's why the number of significant digits in such kind of numbers is 2. It is considered as 2. We will go through all the notions. We will check all the rules to decide how many significant digits are there in a number. So basically the digits which are used, you can write this as a definition. The digits which are used significant digits. Okay, it is short form is SD. You can use SD as significant digits whenever it is used in mathematics. So the digits which are used to express a number are called significant digits. Sorry. Significant digits. Okay. So see, when I use pi value as 3.14, then this number has 3 significant digits. If I write pi value as 3.142, then it has 4 significant digits. Okay, the number before the decimal place, okay, you have to consider that also. It is a non-zero, so all non-zero entries are significant. We will see those notions. If I write this as 14159, then it has 6 significant digits. The more significant digits, the more significant digits, the more accurate number. Okay, please remember this. So accuracy is more here. When you consider pi value as 3.14 and you use it to evaluate area of circle, that will be not that accurate than the answer calculated by using pi as 3.14159. Okay, can you see what I'm writing, girls?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the significance of significant digits is that the more digits you have, the more significant digits you have, the more accurate is your number. Okay. Finished writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the previous page? Just last line, what it is written. Okay. Yes, ma'am, over. Thank you, ma'am.
Now let us write the notions. Sorry. Of significant digits. So yesterday I explained to you why do we come across such type of the terms. Okay, because see, whenever we are using machines for calculations, then there are certain limitations on machines, like what is the capacity of the machine, how many digits it can display, how many digit number it can display, and that gives rise to certain approximations, and that gives rise to errors. Okay, that's why study of significant digits is very important. Throughout numerical analysis you will see that we are not claiming that we will get every time the exact answer in the very first step. Okay, we may have to repeat the procedure to reach to the exact answer, but that is the approach. Whenever you don't have a formula available to factorize or to get the answer, then we take the help of numerical methods and we try to get answers step by step. Those may not be exact, and that's why the errors will occur, and our aim is to reduce those errors. Okay, our aim is to minimize those errors. Yes, so let us write the notions. First one is all non-zero digits are significant. Okay, so for example, if I write 127.8398, then all these numbers are non-zero. So I have how many significant digits in this number?
7.
7 significant digits. Okay, then second one is all zeros occurring between non-zero digits are significant digits. For example, 4.320106 has, yes. Now see, this 0 is occurring between 2 and 1. Both are non-zero. This 0 is occurring between 1 and 6. Both are non-zero. And that's why both these zeros are significant. So this also has 7 significant digits. Okay. Or you can have 102040508 has how many significant digits? 9 significant digits. Have you understood it? All these zeros are significant as they occur between non-zero entries, and all non-zero digits are already significant. Am I able to? Okay, let me check. Rebecca, Why do you join late, Rebecca? What time lecture starts? Rebecca, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you late join?
Ma'am, I was joining from starting, but it was not getting joined.
Okay. Rebecca, talk to me after you finish your all lectures today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Finished writing this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Third one, trailing zeros following a decimal point are significant. For example, trailing zeros kaha hai? Trailing zeros following a decimal point. That means after the decimal point. Okay. So how? 3.50 if I write has 3 significant digits. Okay. So this 0 is occurring after the decimal point. So you have to consider it to be trailing. Even if I write 65 at 65.0, then this also will have 3 significant digits. If I have 0.230, then this 0 is not significant. Okay, but this 0 is significant. Do you understand this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So this also has 3 significant digits. So इसी नंबर से आपको देख और एक नोशन हमें मिलता है that the zero which precedes the decimal point, that means which comes before the decimal point, and after the decimal point there is a non-zero digit. So such kind of zero is not significant. Okay. So the fourth notion is zeros between सॉरी जो अभी मैं कहने जा रही हूँ वो अलग है, बट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस जीरो इज नॉट सिग्निफिकेंट? ये समझा है सबको? डेसिमल
Yes,
पॉइंट से पहले
yes,
वाला जीरो सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. इट इज सेइंग दैट zeros between the decimal point and preceding a non-zero digit, zeros between the decimal point and preceding a non-zero digit, or you can simply write zeros between the decimal point and a non-zero digit are not significant. Not significant. So not significant means what? For example, if I have 0.001234, so these two zeros, they are occurring between the decimal point and this non-zero 1. Okay, this non-zero digit 1. So these two zeros are not significant. So this number has how many significant digits?
4.
Yes, it has 4 significant digits. This we can rewrite as 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is not considered to be significant. This part is not considered to be significant. Only this part is to be considered as significant. It has only 4 significant digits. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I am writing some more numbers and we will see. See, I had written this number, which is 1234 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. Then I may have 0.01234. So numbers are different. But because of this notion, all of them have how many significant digits?
4. 4
Yes.
significant
Each
digits.
of them has 4 significant digits. Numbers are different. Okay? But all these zeros which occur between a decimal point and a non-zero digit, they become non-significant. Okay? The last one. When the decimal point is not written, trailing zeros are not considered to be significant. For example, 7300 if I write. So in the above fashion, I can write this. Like this, I have written in terms of tens powers. So I can rewrite this as 73 into 10 raised to 2. So again, this part is not considered to be significant. Do you understand it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So this has only 2 significant digits. Okay? But if I rewrite this number 7300 as 7300.0, then it has
5.
it has 5 significant digits. Okay? Have you understood it? So number of significant digits depends the way you are writing it.
Ma'am, trailing zeros means what? Trailing zeros.
Trailing means which come after.
Okay, ma'am.
ट्रेलिंग मतलब बाद में आता है ना. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड ट्रेलिंग? सो ये 2 zeros नंबर नॉन जीरो नंबर्स के बाद में आते हैं. But when the decimal point is not written, they are not considered to be significant. So though it's a 4-digit number, the number of significant digits are only 2 here. But if I rewrite this number as 7300.0, मैंने अगर इसी नंबर को 7300.00 लिखा तो कितने होंगे significant digits?
6.
6. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, let us see what is accuracy and precision. You use these words very frequently. Accuracy. So what is an accuracy? Accuracy of the number is nothing but the number of significant digits in a value. Okay. So accuracy refers to the number of significant digits in a value. So if you are asked to find the accuracy of the following numbers, that means you have to find out number of significant digits. Okay, so for example, 693.57 has how many significant digits?
5.
Or I can write this as is accurate to 5 significant digits. Okay, this is how it goes. Accuracy. Then now I'm going to write precision. Precision का English meaning क्या है? Anyone can tell me? Can anyone tell me the meaning of the word precision?
Accuracy.
Accuracy means number of significant digits. I am asking about
How close it is to the actual value. No, to be precise.
precision means number of decimal positions. Okay. Precision refers to precision refers to number of, actually it is the magnitude of the last number. Okay, decimal positions, that is the order of magnitude of the last digit. वो जितना कम है उतना आपका नंबर एक्यूरेट है, obviously. So if I consider the number 693.57, so it has a precision of how much? What is the precision of this number? 10 raised to minus 2. ये पूरा नंबर आप कैसे लिखोगे? 69357 इंटू 10 raised to minus 2, राइट? इसका मैग्नीट्यूड हमें देखना है, इसका, इस नंबर में. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग इट गर्ल्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Or I can write this as 0.01. Okay, so ये नंबर जितना ये होगा उतना ग्रेटेस्ट प्रिसिजन होगा. It goes to accuracy only, directly, indirectly. Okay, because the more number of significance you have, digits you have, the larger the magnitude or larger the precision you will have, greater the precision you will have. Okay, for example, what is the precision of this number? इसका precision कितना है? 10 raised to
-4.
minus 4. If I write 4.32, what is the precision?
10 raised to -2.
Yes, if I write 4.320108.
10 raised to
To
minus
-6.
6.
6.
So this number has the greatest precision. Do you understand it? Okay. Now the next topic is rounding of a number to n significant digits. Have you finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of you are writing, I believe all of you are writing this in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we come across rounding off very frequently, right? Because for practical purposes, we need to round off the answers. Okay, rounding off. So usually we do the rounding to certain number of decimal places. Okay, that also is there. But before that, we will see rounding off a number to n significant digits. So again, you have to follow certain rules for that. Okay. So first one, discard, not the first one, discard all the digits to the right of nth digit. आपको n significant digits रखने हैं, मतलब पहले n significant digits के बाद के सारे digits आपको discard करने हैं. बट डिस्कार्ड करते वक्त आपको क्या करना है वो हमें लिखना है अभी. ओके, डिस्कार्ड जो सिर्फ डिस्कार्ड नहीं करने हैं, डिस्कार्ड करते वक्त हमें कुछ चेंजेस हमारे नंबर में करने होंगे. डिस्कार्ड ऑल द डिजिट्स टू द राइट ऑफ द nth digit. Okay, now what we have to check, what is the number at the n plus 1th position. Suppose a number is given to 7 significant digits. मेरे पास जो number है that contains 7 significant digits and I want to round it off to 4 significant digits. That means I want to discard 5th, 6th and 7th digit. So I have to look at the 5th digit and the 4th last digit which I am going to retain, and accordingly I will make the changes in the 4th digit. Okay, or the last digit which is retained. So आपको वो n plus 1th digit देखना है. So if the n plus 1th discarded number or discarded digit, I would say, is what? Is less than 5. If that number is less than 5, this is what we do in rounding of to n decimal places also. Leave the nth digit unaltered. That means unchanged. Okay. If that number is greater than 5, increase the nth digit by unity, that is 1. Increase the nth digit by unity. Unity मतलब काफी लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है. By 1. And what if the number is 5 itself? Sorry, here I forgot to write less than 5. Huh? Less than 5 है यहाँ पे. Less than 5 and this is greater than 5. Okay, but what if the number is 5 itself? Finished writing, girls?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So third,
Ma'am, what was the last line?
greater than 5 increase the nth digit by unity, that is 1. Unity means 1.
Yes, done, ma'am.
Yes. So now the third one is, if that n plus 1th digit which you are discarding is exactly 5, then in n plus 1th place, exactly 5 in n plus 1th place. And if, so there are cases now, and if odd number is in the nth digit, then increase the nth digit by unity. Even number is in the nth digit, then leave nth digit unaltered. Finished, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So for example now, okay, we will have some numbers. Okay, on the next page I will write, round off the following numbers to 4 significant digits. Huh? First one is 2.7694. 2.7694. क्या करोगे इसका राउंडिंग बताओ? How many significant digits it has?
5.
5. हमें करना है 4. मतलब हमें ये 5th digit डिस्कार्ड करना है. So this 5th digit is 4. So हमारा रूल क्या कहता है? If the 5th digit, if the n plus 1th discarded digit is less than 5, then leave the nth digit unaltered. मैंने क्या लिखा रे? Unaltered लिखना है मुझे. Unaltered. Alternate लिखा मैंने. It should be unaltered, huh? That means unchanged. Yes. So the 5th digit which we are going to discard is less than 5. So this 4th digit we will keep unaltered. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the discarded digit. Discard. So our number will be 2.769. There will be no change in 9. Next number is 40.0468. Now this has how many significant digits?
6.
हमें करना है, तो हमें कौन से 2 डिजिट्स डिस्कार्ड करने हैं?
6 and 8.
6 and 8 हमें डिस्कार्ड करने हैं, है ना? So fifth digit which we are going to discard first is greater than 5, right? Yes or no?
Yes, it is greater than 5.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? रूल 2 क्या कहता है? If the n plus 1th discarded digit is greater than 5, add unity in the nth digit. मतलब इस 4 में मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? 1 ऐड करना चाहिए, समझा क्या?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Third,
Ma'am, wait.
six point 39458.
Done, ma'am.
इसका बताओ अभी 6.39458.
6.394.
Digits.
6.394. Why? Because this
Because
digit,
it's
these
even
digits
number.
we are going to discard. And this is exactly 5. But this digit is even. है ना?
Yes.
So there is no change according to rule 3. Now I have taken similar number, but instead of 4, I have taken 3. I have taken 3 here, odd number.
6.394.
This will become 6.394. Okay. Have you understood these rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Okay. Let me take attendance. Yes, so tomorrow we will continue with problem solving using significant digits, errors, etc.